Morning, Carol.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yes, it is today, John, but as we go through tomorrow from the west, it should start to improve and dry up, and a drier day for most of us on Wednesday. But we're starting off with a lot of flood warnings in England. 57. The Environment Agency continually update this, and it will fluctuate as we go through the course of the day. But expect some travel disruption. We've had some heavy rain through the course of the night. There'll be a lot of surface water and spray around. Now you can see the low pressure that is driving all this weather. It's moving northwards and eastwards. This is what's responsible for the heavy rain that's been pouring down through the course of the night. We've got some heavy showers across eastern Scotland as well, and it's cloudy and it's windy particularly through the English Channel and the North Sea. So you can see the track that rain is taking, pushing northwards. Where we've got yellows and greens on the chart, that's where the heaviest bursts could be. And we could see as much as 40 millimetres of rainfall across parts of North Wales and northern England. Now to the south of that, it will remain fairly cloudy. Might get the odd glimmer of brightness across southwest England, South Wales, for example, at times, but there's still a few showers. And to the north of it, again, brighter conditions with a few showers. The rain moving out of Northern Ireland. As we head through the evening and overnight, the rain starts to push southwards. So again, you can see it pulling down, turning more showery in nature in doing so. Skies clear out towards the west, but it will still be quite windy down this North Sea coastline. These are our overnight lows, ranging from 6 to about 13 degrees. So into tomorrow, we still have our low pressure with us. It's very slowly trying to push off into the North Sea. And you can see this one in the near continent. That will have a bearing on our weather on Wednesday, but not a huge one. So cloudy across eastern areas during Tuesday. Still some showery outbreaks of rain. Still this keen northeasterly wind coming in from the North Sea. But high pressure starts to build in from the west. So things settle down a touch. And because we'll have lost the intensity of the rain, and there won't be so much around anyway, it's not going to feel as cool as today. Temperatures 13 to about 17 degrees, again north to south. Then as we head into the midweek, something drier comes our way with some sunny spells. So eventually this area of low pressure pulls away, but it's close enough to be throwing in some cloud from that system and a few showers into the southeastern corner. Pushed towards the west and the north, yes, we'll have variable amounts of cloud, but there will be some sunshine around, and quite a lot of it too. So breezy along the North Sea coastline, our temperatures 13 to about 16 or 17 degrees. Then beyond that, well, we head on through the middle to the end of the week, still a lot of dry weather around. You can see the temperatures start to slowly climb for a couple of days, and we see temperatures get back up to 16 or indeed 17 degrees. So there is a slight improvement in place. But first of all, we've got to get rid of all this wet weather. And I just reiterate that if you're travelling this morning, it's worth checking for some travel disruption. I know there are a few trees down due to the strength of the wind, for example, in parts of Kent, and there's flooding also in some of the roads in Wrexham. So something to be very much aware of. John and Sarah.
Thanks, Carol. It's hard to believe summer was only sort of a couple of weeks ago. It seems it's really and truly gone.
I know, it just feels like it hasn't stopped raining, doesn't it?
Yeah, and there is a lot of disruption this morning. Full details, you go to the BBC News website or the BBC web.